Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create welcome email in Mailchimp. So first you need to do is open up your Mailchimp website and then log in your account. And after you do that, simply click on this automations option from left sidebar, and from there simply click on this overview. And once you do that, just simply scroll down and click on this welcome new contacts option. And then it's going to show you this window. From here simply click on this use this journey button at the top. After this simply click on this continue, and then from here simply you need to click on this create an email option, and then it will just give you email options. You can simply enter the subject of your email and then schedule how many times you want to send it or which time, and then you can simply click on this either of this classic builder or new builder to design your email. And once you do that, simply click on this close, and then simply click on this continue button. But you need to remember that to continue this you need to upgrade to their paid plan. So that's how you can create welcome email in Mailchimp. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.